All right, installing my weapon motor. A couple things. There's just the 3 screws, and then when you go to install it, make sure you get the new bumpers. So you got 1, 2, and then 3 here, and then the seal on the back. So you make sure you get that new seal. And then for the car, okay, so you got 1, 2, and 3. All right. If you already have your wipers in, so in the hole here, here's your connection here for the motor, and then I'm going to put a little bit of lithium grease in there. And then just have your nuts here loose enough so you can get your brass clamp here to come up. We'll get that motor in there. Wrong size. All right, get that on there. Screws. Don't forget your seal, okay, and your bumpers. And I want these super tight, just nice and snug, otherwise these very small screws that are in here, and you can very easily strip that nut that's in there. There's a square nut that's welded to the firewall, and not careful, you can strip that really easy. All right, there you go.